The police believe the killing of a man in downtown Montego Bay, St. James, Tuesday afternoon might be connected to the upsurge of gang violence in Salt Spring, St. James. The man, believed to be Everald Appleton, 39, of Oz Lane, Salt Spring, was shot on Union Street about 5:15 p.m. According to the police reports, explosions were heard and the deceased was seen lying along the roadway with gunshot wounds to the upper body. 2 men were shot, one fatally by a gunman at a bar in Oxford St. Elizabeth on Tuesday night. The deceased is 36-year-old construction worker Dwayne Newman of Spring Park in the parish. Reports are that about 8:20 p.m. the 2 men were inside a bar when an armed man entered and opened gunfire at them. He then fled the scene. The police were summoned and on arrival, Newman and the other man was found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were transported to hospital where Newman was pronounced dead and the other man was hospitalized in stable condition. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack. A St. Catherine woman and her 2-year-old son has been missing since October 3. They are 30-year-old Sandrine Duar and Zachary Byfield of Irish Penn, Spanish Town. The police say Duar is 5 feet 6 inches tall and sports a dreadlocks hairstyle, while Zachary is of brown complexion, slim built and about 3 feet tall. The Portmore police say Duar and Zachary were last seen at home. Their mode of dress and the time they went missing are unknown. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Sandrine Duar and Zachary Byfield is being asked to contact the Portmore police at 949-8422 or 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station. A businessman and woman were robbed of over $500,000 at gunpoint in Monique St. Anne on Tuesday evening. Reports are that about 6:30 p.m. the man and woman were at a supermarket they operate when they were held up by 3 armed men who had traveled to the location in 2 vehicles, a Toyota Axio and a Toyota Probox. The robbers then escaped. The Ocho Rios CIB is investigating the incident.